Hello and welcome back to Everyday to 100K, the channel where we make a new video every single day until we get 100K subscribers so we can get that sweet YouTube trophy and display it in our rooms and never make another video again. Today I'm going to be showing you, I know I said earlier that I don't play instruments, but that was a lie. I play piano. If you didn't see that video of my Sailor Moon cover, I'll link it in the card above. Be sure to check that video out too. But today I'm going to show you how to play a piano song, and I've got these guiding lights here to show you exactly how to play it. And it's going to be a fan favorite. We're going to be playing the opening to the Demon Slayer anime, also known as Kimetsu no Yaiba. It's by Lisa. Anyway, it's very simple to play if you follow my instructions. Just follow along with my fingers and you will play this song perfectly in no time. Okay, here we go. Just like this. And this one's important. And there you have it. That's how you play the Demon Slayer opening by Lisa. Thank you. Goodbye.